Yay! Let's get started. We're gonna fuck with people. Alright, people? I think that's the most hilarious thing ever.
Oh my god, I hope I look cute in this video. I don't give a fuck what I look like.
Fart noises. Who's awesome? Nobody. Evan's awesome.
No, mommy's awesome.
Oh.
Hi.
Mwah.
Mwah.
You can buy me a shake.
Little doll, and I wanna know what you are.
Sing loud.
Him, oh,
That was a horrible one. Oh well. You're fucking shit. Fuck! I don't even care. I don't. What'd you fuck?
You said camels.
You fucked it up, dude.
No, I was giggling.
Today, the new today, Mommy, today, what my day, you day. Yeah.
Only someday. He scratched my leg. You don't even own a cat. I know. And then the conversation ends there. We're done with that conversation. And, I hope you laughed. If you didn't, then go fuck yourself and have a good night.